Hi guys, it's Master Coach Tony Morgan, and today got a short video but a real powerful one of one of my students. He's been with me for 2 days. He's from Birmingham, south side of Birmingham, and what he's learnt in 2 days, just going to explain in his own words how amazed he is and what he learnt so quick. So over to you, Mirza.
Hi, my name is Amir, and I joined AI Boiler recently, and this is my second day, and I'm working as a gas engineer and under the training of AI Boiler. The first day, in 2 days, I learned a lot. First of all, the wiring, S-plan wiring diagram, and wiring fault finding in a S-plan in a wiring side. Second thing, emerging electric heater. I learned how to diagnose and how to check everything, the electric boilers. And the second thing, how to drain down the boiler if it is in the kitchen, what are the principles are, and if the boiler is in an above room or in a loft, what are the principles to drain down the boilers. Everything I learned, which is very helpful and very good for my career ahead. Thank you.
Excellent. Yeah, so in 2 days you've learnt immense amount of information. So if you want to be a masterful engineer, learn like my guy is here right today, just click on the link and you can get on this journey as well. So thanks for watching on this short video, but a powerful video for new engineers who want to learn about boiler repair, heating systems and controls.
Thank you.
Bye for now.